Welcome to this NVHome, the modern luxury in the heart of Arlington. This elegant N-unit townhome blends sophistication with timeless comfort. Feature sun-filled open spaces, a gourmet kitchen with the glam island. Upstairs, you find a wet bar perfect for entertaining. A serene rooftop terrace under the Arlington sky. Enjoy a prime location just minutes from the Pentagon, Reagan National Airport, and DC. Surrounded by restaurants, cafés, and vibrant energy. Your next chapter, luxury living, starts here.
To buy and sell real estate. No team in Northern Virginia is better than 23 Homes with Glenn and Giff.
We're not just about real estate, we're about building relationships and creating spaces where life's most cherished memories are made.